Say cheese.
Ooh.
These are all separate videos. It's kind of neat.
Alright.
One. This.
Let's see who this is from. It's you, Dante.
That's two.
I took everything out of the boxes and I
Let me see.
threw away the boxes. I think this must be from Sharon because this one,
Whoa.
Dante's ahead of you.
Whoa.
this is from Aunt Rachel and Uncle Joel.
Uncle Joe.
Uncle Joel.
Whoa.
So this must be from Sharon.
Whoa.
Because,
Whoa.
let's see. Wow, flip it over.
Look.
Let's see what it is.
What is it, Dante?
Dante! Look at that!
Dante, can you say thank you to Aunt Rachel and Uncle Joel?
Thank you. I watched this.
He's gotten the opening book. Wow, look at this, Dante!
Look at this. Okay, what this?
Yeah, look at this. They're books.
Oh, you like those books?
Fire engine. Say fire truck.
Sorry, fire truck. That's a tractor.
Yeah, you love tractors. That's your new thing.
Nothing. How about this?
How about it? That one, I believe, is from Aunt Sharon and new Uncle Michael.
Wheel.
Oh, yes, this is because I had a gift receipt for it.
Wheel.
Cool. Oh, wow. This is cool.
What is it?
He got a leapster.
Wait. You open it?
Oh my goodness. You say thank you to Aunt
Mr.
Sharon?
Dante, you are one lucky
How about
boy.
this?
Of course you won it. With a game.
What, you open it?
We'll open it tomorrow, Dante.
Yeah, we'll play with it tomorrow.
Hey, Dante, can you say thank you?
Thank you. And one person.
No, that's all the presents. The
That's
rest are
all,
for Clara.
Dante.
Until Christmas. No, honey, you've still got Christmas. This is Hanukkah. Christmas is soon, and then you'll get more presents, okay?
Those are for Clara's. Come on. Dante.
We don't open Clara's presents. They're hers. You can help her open them, but you have to wait till she's around.
What this?
That's Clara's too, buddy.
All Clara's.
Come back here.
Okay.
Dante, that's not for you. Put it back.
Honey, listen. Listen. There are presents. Listen, come here. Oh, good boy. There are presents for you and there are presents for Clara. And you wouldn't like it if Clara opened up your presents and you didn't get to open them, right?